Hi, my name is Umang Kataria and I'm going to give presentation on hospitality and tourism services. Hospitality and tourism management is one of the important sector of business, catering to the entertainment needs of the customers. Hospitality of the tourism industry personnel helps the customer in taking the purchasing decisions for services provided. Quality is the services is important for influencing the purchasing decision of the customers. Undertaking the purchasing decision is assistance for the customers in evaluating their characteristics as an efficient customer. Reflection is in the context seems to be effective for finding linkage between services offered and the resultant response. Service marketing. Variability, one of the essential components in the market of hospitality and tourism industry. There are two sectors in services marketing: internal marketing and external marketing. Internal marketing aims to improve the standards and quality of the tourism packages for increase and trafficking of the audience. External marketing outsourcing the services through the meaning of social media marketing. Strategies alliances with the hotels, resorts, and transport authorities is effective for enhancing the standards of the services for the customers. Infrastructure facilities are renovated for the caterings to the entertainment needs of the customers. Reflection on services experiences. As a customer, I always prefer to study the market trends, services offer, its benefits, and the prospects which I would achieve on availing the services. After reviewing all of the aspects, I move towards undertaking the decision of purchasing the services. The purchase is effective for exposing rational approach towards um, decision making. Relation between service concept and reflection. Customer behavior is based on the services plan to be launched for the customers. Up upgradation is in the standards of services is stimultaneous to the development in the decisions making style of the customers. Uploading the services in the social networking channels is effective for increasing the trafficking of the audience towards the hospitality and tourism industry. Real life business examples. Once I indulged in booking online tickets from Virgin Australia as I had to go on a business trip. I could do it in a less time going through all of the convenient options for the available flights, arrival, and departure times. In the process of selection in the hotel, I would customize options which helped me to decide selection and I confirmed all the details issues with the airport authorities and the hotel staff, which seems that my decision was very right. Even the transport after landing in the Australia, I did not had to make much efforts. The airport authorities have a segment for booking cabs, which I will for reaching to the hotel. Conclusion: the frequency and innovation within the services would upgrade the standards and quality the services in hospitality and tourism industry. Feedbacks provided in response to the customers are reflected, which enhances the assurance regarding and the quality of capability towards the decision making. Valuation of the decision undertaken on availing the services helps the customer to enhance their the self-awareness. These are the references if you would like to have a look.